everybody, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be this ghoulish buddy. We're going to restore this guy, and I'm going to show you how to do it, or actually just show you how I'm doing this one. This is not really a DIY, but it could be a little idea how to restore these little buddies. These are, I don't know what, if this actually was my sister and she passed it on to me, and so I can restore it. He is missing a finger right here. I was gonna do something differently, but my husband actually wanted to help out, and he actually glued the little thing over here already. So it the purpose of putting another finger kind of gets defeated because he already put the little plate in there. You can see it has silicone. But anywho, we're gonna restore it, clean him up and stuff like that. I don't know what he is, some kind of a zombie, but you see he's missing things, scratches here and there, and all dusty on that. And it has this brain thing emptying. It's either to put your candy so you can greet the little trick-or-treaters, or you can put a plant in there or anything that you like. These are, it's not heavy. It is very, very light, but it could be breakable very easily. Right here it says Haunted Parlor. It used to be $29.99. I have no idea from where. Out of talking, let's get to it. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you already did, thank you very much. Make sure you watch previous videos where I have made other DIYs, hauls, or anything like that. And let's get started. The items that I'm going to be using for this critter are going to be my paints and probably Mod Podge, the glossy, to seal them all up and have them ready for Halloween. Let's get started. We're gonna clean him up really quick first, and then we're gonna get started. So there he is. I have washed him. He's still wet from some parts. I have noticed that he was made out of cardboard and some type of like gesso or something like that. And yes, so it wasn't a good idea to put him in my shower to clean it up. But he is spotless as is from dust. And we're gonna go ahead and restore this little critter. I am going to use a little bit of dried, like air dry clay to put his other finger, and hopefully it sticks, and maybe to make his nose a little bit clean. And then there's a little bit of his shoe over here that it was kind of coming off, so we're gonna secure that up a little bit. And other than that, I think that he is pretty much in one whole space. Look at the back, it's not as damaged, but that's how he looks. So we're gonna give it a new paint over and all that as it is. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna give him his finger. I'm gonna use this air dry clay from Das, modeling clay, and we're just going to make him a finger here. I think I have a lot. I'm going to start with his body right here, which is the easiest, I would think, while all the other parts get dry. We're going to start with Mr. Pumpkin, Mr. Jack. They already have like a texture to it, and since they were sort of matte, there's no need for me to like go in it and sand it with some sandpaper. But if your whatever you're doing is not, then I recommend for you to do so. color that he already has with the black on black, with the black cat and the black suit, I get it. It's Christmas. It's Halloween, and black on black goes the thing, and the black cat and all. But come on, sometimes you gotta make yourself get out of the black for Halloween. There's many other colors that you could use for, and it still represent Halloween or have those Halloween colors. Blazer, his jacket thing, I'm gonna keep it black. I'm just gonna repaint it on the black just to make it a little bit crispier and fresh and not look dull. Okay, his suit is all black all around it. And now we're gonna go back to his shoes because his shoes are now dry and workable. I'm gonna try to use these two colors, which is plum or African violet and brown. My camera did not notify me when it was not recording and I didn't record the face. I did touch up on the face and the hair. I used the same colors that they had because I like those colors, but that's how it ended up to be. I did make the bow tie a different color and touch up on the purple of his blazer, his vest thing. But I think it turned out beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Right here, I'm just showing you how he will look if you put a pot, a flower, or a flower arrangement. And also, it could be used for candy or whatever you want. But I thought it looked silly with the sunflowers. Thank you, bye!